Hey everybody, it's Backpacker Mike here, and I am actually at my home base here near Gainesville, Florida, North Central Florida, for a few more days. Try to get some things together and finish up some stuff on the new website. And thank you, Jessica, very much for all the work that you've done on this website. I told you earlier in a text message, but I thought I would showcase a little something that I got that's gonna make my travel videos pretty awesome, I think, hopefully. And that is it is the new Spark by DJI. This little drone is awesome. I've done a ton of research on it. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube and stuff like that. And also Cobus, my friend who does film in South Africa, who was shooting the South African 13-part series documentary that will be released soon, that I'll be in, hopefully. He suggested this little Spark, and so I've been doing a lot of research on it. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to do the Spark or the Mavic. They're both made by DJI. The Mavic shoots 4K, the Spark shoots 1080, but really the 1080 that comes out of this Spark is pretty amazing. It has, I think, 12 or 13 pixel camera that takes pretty amazing photos, and it also works off of hand gestures and everything else. And the thing is super small. So I thought what I would do is a little something different. I just picked this up the other day, so I thought I would kind of do a little bit of a unboxing here and figure out how to get into it so I can show you guys exactly how small it is. As you can see, I haven't even opened it at all yet. I've been waiting to do this video so I could show you guys, so I could get it charged up and fly it better. So you have to forgive my appearance too. On my car, I had to put a new radiator fan on it because the radiator fan went bad. So I'm kind of just dressed for working on the car. Alright, so get this box open. So this drone is going to give some amazing footage. And this is the carrying case. Smells brand new too. Inside here is all the goodies, I guess. Most of them anyway. Propeller guards. Plug. Battery charger. And then the controller. So inside this case will fit everything, I believe. We'll see. Maybe not, I don't know. But I thought the drone would fit in the case too. And it comes with a charging station, which is awesome. Fits up to 3 batteries, and they're intelligent batteries, intelligent smart batteries, something like that. They tell you on the screen how much battery life you got left, what your average use is. This is the controller. So these are the antennas that just flip up. So it looks sort of like this. And then this pops down here like that. And then your phone actually fits right in here. So my Note 5 will fit right in there, and then you use that as a screen and also use the app to control things. So the joysticks are really easy to move around. They aren't very stiff. So that's pretty cool. And the controller, you can run this drone actually without the controller. You can just run it off the app on your phone. But with the controller, you get a little bit more control because of the joysticks of the drone. And then also you get more range with it. So that's cool. This little case is what has the actual spark inside of it. As you can see there, these are the intelligent batteries, intelligent life batteries. Not sure what, oh, these are new propellers. And this little guy is the drone. That is all the bigger it is. It can literally fit in the palm of my hand. So this little thing is going to be amazing, and it's got the camera right here that moves up and down, and has a little bit of pivot to it, and then the propellers. And let's see what else is it? Oh, and these are just all the instructions. I mean, who needs to read instructions, right? Especially after all the videos I've watched, I should know how to fly this like a pro. But there are a lot of instructions in there. I can only imagine. So there's several things you have to do to get it hooked up to your phone. Obviously, you have to download the app, and then you have to sync the controller and sync the drone together and all of that. But this little guy here is going to shoot some amazing footage for you guys, I have a feeling. So I'm going to have to get this thing charged up and shoot some video with it and get used to flying it. But it's not very heavy. I'm not exactly sure what the weight is. It's probably on here somewhere. It's probably in grams. Yeah, I don't see the weight on here anywhere. But I would say it's probably maybe 2 pounds at the most. And so all of this will fit inside of this little case here, and I'll be able to throw up my backpack and get some awesome footage for you guys. So again, the DJI SPARK, and this is not a paid advertisement, unfortunately. I wouldn't mind getting DJI as a sponsor, but I just thought I would do an unboxing for you guys and kind of show you guys the new little toy I got. So I'm excited to use it and incorporate that into the travel videos for you guys, and it'll give you a better shot of surrounding areas where I am and things like that, other than just, you know, face to face like I am now, and ground level stuff. So it'll give you a little bit more intro to the areas and surrounding areas where I'm at. This thing has a lot of cool features on it. It has hand gestures where it will follow me. So I don't even have to use the controller. I can actually set the controller down and just start walking or running, and it'll follow me wherever I go. So so this will be an amazing little tool. So again, the DJI SPARK, I highly recommend it from what I've seen so far, and I'm anxious to get it flying. So look forward to another video of me trying to fly this thing. And we'll go from there. So thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate all the support you've given me. I really just, I can't thank you guys enough. And I uploaded a new promotional video for Backpacker Mike, and that's uploaded on YouTube. So if you guys could search for that video and share it, that would be awesome. It kind of shows a lot of you know, my personality, so to speak, and my passion and my drive to live my dream. So as always, let's experience this world together. Always live your dreams. Always give them life. Peace, love, and let's experience this world together.